Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the Volvo S90 on level ground and setting the ignition to accessory so the wipers are locked down. Inspect the current blades for cracks, tears, and streaking and note sizes. Most S90s use 26 inches on the driver's side and 20 inches on the passenger side. Purchase OEM or high-quality aftermarket blades and assemble tools, a flat screwdriver, soft cloth, and gloves. Plan to replace blades every 12 months or sooner if performance drops. Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it holds roughly 45 degrees. Do not let it snap back onto the glass. Locate the plastic release tab where the blade connects to the J-hook adapter. Press the tab firmly and slide the blade down the hook to release it. You will feel it unclip. If the connector is seized, protect the windshield with a towel and use a flat screwdriver to gently pry the tab, avoiding bending the metal wiper arm. Take the new blade and align its connector with the S90's J-hook. Slide it upward until you hear an audible click that confirms a secure lock. Gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Never let a loaded arm snap onto the glass. Repeat for the other side, ensuring you installed the 26-inch on the driver's side and 20-inch on the passenger side if that matches your vehicle. Start the ignition and cycle the wipers to confirm smooth, streak-free motion and proper sweep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.